Hey guys, it's Negative Codes here today, and this is my first tutorial on Bukkit coding, and I'm actually just gonna start off my YouTube channel with tutorials. Well, why not? So I'm just gonna teach you how to code a simple heal plugin, how to heal yourself. I'm not gonna teach you how to heal others yet, because I find they'll be more complicated, as this is the first tutorial. Okay, so by the way, I'm just doing this tutorial series for fun. I don't know, I just got really enthusiastic with Bukkit and I like it a lot, so why not? Okay, so let's just name this, I don't know, just heal. Heal yourself. So you want to just go up and hit new Java project and just name it whatever you want. Okay, now you want to open it and you want to right click on SRC and you want to click new package. And you want to name it me dot whatever you want. I recommend putting your username. So I just put in my username. And here, let's just put whatever. I just usually put this. Just heal yourself. Same thing, not in capital. If you want, you can put it in capital. It's just easier not to. Finish. And then you right click the package and you go to a new class. I'm just going to call it main, just for simplicity purposes. Okay, so once we're in here, this is just the default workspace, I guess I could call it. So we just want to make this extends Java plugin, because that means it's gonna get the Bukkit API. So you want to get a bukkit.jar, and so if this is your first time doing this, you could just go to properties, download bukkit.jar, the last updated version, and click add external jars. Just keep it there all the time. Don't move it, because if you do so, you're just gonna have to change it in every single one of these projects you got here. Okay, and just add it. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is just make a single plugin that heals you, as stated before. So we want to make our command method. So this is public boolean on command. So when a command is sent, what we want to do is these are just let's just call them variables, I guess. So command sender, the command sender is going to be switched to sender. Command, we're going to switch command to CMD. And string, command label, and string args. I've never really understood what this means, I guess. But you know what? It's just one of those things that you just have to remember without even knowing what they are. Okay, import and just import all these. Also, make sure that when you're importing, you try to, if there's nothing else than org.bukkit.whatever, then it's obviously something different. But you just always want to import org.bukkit.whatever. You know what I mean? So here we're going to do, if the command that the player sends, the name is equal to, let's just say heal, we want to do this. So these things, these curly brackets signalize that this is the inner part of this code. So let's say, if that is that, we're going to do what's inside of it here. What's inside of here, inside these two brackets. So return true is just saying to return a response, let's call it. So here we have to create a variable. So let's just call it player p. That's just a variable. P is a variable. Equals, we're going to add a test to player and sender. So the sender is equal to player p. So let's just import player. And if p dot has permission, and we want to just designate our own permission node. So let's just shorten heal yourself to heal y dot heal. If the player has that permission, what we want to do is that. So if the command dot get name is equal to heal, we want to check if the player has permission. If they do, we want to do this. We want to do the following. So we want to p.setHealth, and we just want to set their health to 20. Since it's 20, because since there's half a heart and stuff like that, it's times 2, pretty much. And we want to p.setFireTicks to 0, so it stops burning fire. And p.setFoodLevel and 20. Same thing with the hearts. Okay. And let's just send the player a message saying chat color is the color of the chat. So here's a list of things. So chat color dot green plus you have been healed. Okay. And let's just make variable string prefix is equal to chat color dot gray plus, and then plus chat color dot green plus, and what we wanted to say, heal y, just call it that, plus chat color dot gray plus, and let's put a space there. So that's just a string for prefix. So here, let's just put prefix plus. Okay, and as you can see, if I delete this line, it's going to say cannot be resolved to a variable. It doesn't find a variable, so that's why that's there. Okay, and then we just want to return this to true. Okay, so now we want to specify if the argument of the player, if the player types, for example, /heal. Okay, // is like a comment. This will be ignored by the code. If you put / and whatever, /heal, I don't know, negative codes, what we want to do is just make sure that doesn't happen. So if args.length, if the length is equal to so if the length is equal to more than 0, we just want to, I guess, p.send message prefix plus check color dot red incorrect format. Okay, and we just want to return true. Okay, so as you can see here, if the player has, just a second. Let me find this real quick. Oh, okay. So let's just fit this in there. Well, this. This was out of the if the player has permission. There. Oh, I see. Let's just put this here. I find putting the args length, I've forgotten about the args length before. So if the args length is equal or more than 0, we want to just send them in correct format and return. That means like to pretty much stop the code there. Okay, and if not, if nothing else is wrong, you just do that. So here, else, if the player does not have permission, we want to p.send message, let's just say check color dot dark red plus you do not have access to that command, and return true. Okay, so we're done with our pretty simple plugin. So now what we want to do is we want to right click the folder and create a new file. So we want to call this file plugin.yml. Okay. Let's just name it heal yourself. And the main, so this is the main class. So it'd be me.negativecodes.healyourself.main. And capitals do count in this, and you don't include main.java. So me.negativecodes.healyourself.main. Okay. And the version is 1.0. Let's just do that. And description, heal yourself. Pretty self-explanatory. And the commands. So space, and then 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then heal. And then, again, 5 spaces. Description. Heal yourself. What the command does. And then the usage of the command. I like to put this in. Usage / command. And that's it. Okay. So we got this all done. So let's just make sure to save. And let's export this. So I'm just putting this straight into the server right away so we can test it. So heal yourself. And finish. Oh, let's just redo it. There. Okay, craft Bukkit. Let's just start up our server. Click localhost. Minecraft. Okay guys, I'm back. I just wanted to wait for this to load up because it's very slow. Oh, here are a bunch of other plugins I've made. I don't have all of them installed to reduce lag. Okay. Let me see. Okay. So let's just join localhost. And full screen. Toggle downfall. Okay, and let me close that up. Okay. I just want to show you this quick other plugin I made. I just like it. You just right click and it throws that. Okay, whatever. So let's just injure ourselves with that. Well, just a second. Oh, so we have an error. Okay. So apparently, if the arc's length, let's just make this 1. And let me just export that. Okay, and let me just reload. And what the heck was that? Oh, that's another plugin that doesn't matter. And as you see, I've been healed. Now let's try this with fire. What was this called? Flint and steel. Okay. Let's just fly somewhere where that water isn't there. Well, okay. And let me just place some netherrack or it's not going to stay. Okay. So let me just run around. Let me lose some health. Okay. Just need half a heart gone. Aw, damn. Oh, you die. Okay, I got some damage off of myself. Okay. Why am I not losing health? Hunger. We'll just eat some rotten flesh. Half a heart, but not dead. Okay, this is pretty weird. Let me just pause the video and so I can show you guys the hunger. Okay guys, I'm back, and I have lost hunger, half a heart, not much, and let me just heal myself. And as you can see, I have been healed, and that also heals, stops the fire ticks. So thanks for watching, guys. I would like to thank you because this is my first video. Just tell all your friends about tutorials. I'm sure many of you who play Minecraft would like to be interested in coding plugins. It's very fun. You can customize your game. And I just like to say to keep watching, subscribe, bring as many people as you want. And by the way, in the comments, put tutorials that you would like me to, um, to teach. And by the way, they can't be longer than 20 minutes or 30 minutes because people get bored out of that and it's like being class time out. Okay, so thanks guys, and make sure to leave a like, comment, rate, and do whatever you want pretty much. And goodbye.